Come on. We ain't got 64 gigabits full yet. Not even close, I don't think. Oh, but in due time, certainly. We'll certainly have it. You see? Anyway, gonna at least get that done, and in no time, that'll be done on that. But you know what I'm really looking for? What is really hoping that is here? The wheels to the base of the vacuum. I find those is fully operational. That vacuum. Fully operational. If the wheels for the base.
No. Oh my gosh.
Alright. Freaking. Oh, sick. Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, come on. Here we go. The wheels. I took them off. I know they're here somewhere. That's why it doesn't vacuum right. Because I took the wheels off and I don't recall, but they might be in there somewhere. I'm hoping. Then you got that vacuum.